crab with claws so neat. D for dolphin, jumps on beat. F for eel, long and thin. F for fish with shiny fin. G for goldfish, golden glow. H for hammerhead, go, go, go. I for inkfish, hiding fast. J for jellyfish, floating past. K for killer whale, strong and free. L for lobster, under the sea. M for mermaid, sing in tune. N for narwhal, horn like moon. O for octopus, arms so wide. P for penguin, sliding side. Q for queenfish, pretty and bright. R for rayfish, gliding light. S for starfish, shining